Welcome back to Wings Geo. Today I installed the last missing piece in my full exhaust replacement, and it was the fuel trimmer from Mistral for the E5 iteration of the Moto Guzzi V85. Install was literally a 5-minute plug-and-play affair, but I will say taking off the side panels made access much easier, even though it was stated in the instructions that it was not necessary. Mistral's claim here was a optimized fueling solution for the low and mid-range RPM. Basically, it is a overpriced O2 sensor trickery where the sensor gets tricked into creating a condition where more fuel is introduced with the desired outcome to resolve any lean operation and to smooth the throttle operation. Did it work? I'm going with yes, as I am no longer having any backfire pops and the throttle response seems smoother, which allowed me to stay in higher gears at low RPMs without any kind of stuttering that was previously present. In my little ride around town, I am on purpose showing what it looks like to stay in higher gears at low RPMs, so you get the idea. Also, I found it interesting that the Agostini slip-on now actually sounds better with the DB killer in place. There is now a very noticeable V-twin rumble that was not present before. Without the DB killer, it just did not sound right anymore. Overall, throttle operations seem very smooth, with great pickup from low and mid-range RPMs. Mission accomplished. Until next time, bye.